Hi there, in this video we will take a look how easy it is to add a field to your product page where only phone number input is allowed. So let us now take a look at it. It's very easy. We will just open up our text box Textify app. We can click the button create field, simple text box. We can go now to field name, in our case phone field. I think that's a good name. We can now move on, and you can see on the right side already the preview. So the only thing we have to do is we need just a single line field. Should not be resizable. We can add here also the heading, add phone number, double point. Then we can also change the placeholder. Please enter a phone number. We can go further now. We can now decide here what kind of input we want to allow. In our case, only numbers, because it's a phone number. And what else we can do? We can decide on which product we want to show it. In our case, it is the test product. I will do so. I will enter test product. We can click add. We can click save. Now the field is getting generated. You can see it will show up here as well. Phone field, we can go back to the product page, we can refresh it. And what we see is that our phone number field will show up. So now what they have to do is they just can enter numbers. So that's what they can do. And if I try here on my keyboard to enter also some other characters, that's not possible. So it's the perfect case if you just want to require your customers to enter a phone number. You can also make that field required as well. So if you really need that phone number to, for example, send them something via phone, or maybe you will just need it for any further internal purpose, you can just go with that approach. So that's how easy it is to add a phone number field to your product page.